gonna tip over. Hey! Yeah, I know. I know, there's two of them up there. No, it's an osprey. It's an osprey. What? What do you want? What? That's what I'm fucking doing. Because it's four-wheel drive and not all-wheel drive. It's a piece of shit.
This is all-wheel drive.
No, it's not. It's four-wheel drive. You're only spinning 2 tires. Hey, go right here. Okay. Okay, hold up. Hold on! Back the fuck off of it! Keep going! Okay. Okay. Okay, stop. Go forward. Justin, go right here. Aaron, right here. What? Why you're freaking sliding all over the place, dude. What? That's what I was saying. That's easy as shit. Why don't you go that way? Hey, it's because you're four-wheel drive, not all-wheel drive. He's only spinning 2 tires. Oh. I think, or 2 or 3. That's not good. Yeah, he only has 4. You need diff locks. Like me, I have diff locks. I was spinning all 4 tires, right? In the mud back?
Oh yeah, definitely.
These GTPs trying to freaking...
So bad.
Huh?
That makes me want to go on.
Yeah, I made it through there.
Like, we're fucking nothing.
They make it side by side like mine.
Yeah, I know. It's fine, but it's a high lift condition. It's exactly what I have, except it's a high lift condition.
Yeah. Why don't you just put it in reverse? He's freaking sliding down the hill.
You know, just go enough fucking minutes with that shit. You won't get stuck.
What? I'll pull you out with the winch. Let's go. Oh, fuck.
What the fuck?
Oh, God.
Tire stepped out.
You should have seen the look on Justin's face. What? Ah!
It's gonna be a good video.
Great.
Fucking mud, dude.
Oh, I gotta watch that video, dude.
Dude, I feel like we should go back. There's way too much mud for bikes.
Are you sure?
Can we make it out down this trail? Okay. This is gonna be a big hole to go through in the summertime. Yeah. Hey, let's just all push it up the hill. Up that way. Why? Just turn it that way. We'll all get it up there.
How the fuck am I supposed to get my bike?
Not do it. Go this way. Aaron, look. Go. And then just go down. Come on, boys! Ah!
Hey, it's my bike.
Damn it! Fuck! Push some bitch! Oh.
Don't let it come back.
No. Get on some bitch!
I'm trying to hold you with my foot. Ryan, kick suck to some bitch.
What? Oh fuck!
Did somebody shut the gas off?
Yeah.
I got fuel injected, I don't have to shut it off. God damn. This is gonna be so
Wait.
What the fuck?
You okay? Little buddy?
No.
What's wrong?
It may help my goddamn heat exhaustion.
I got so much mud.
damn, dude, let's just go back.
Let it out. We made it too far.
No.
Wait.
We haven't. We're here.
No, I'm just gonna pull down an end.
Come on, stop.
Hey, if you put it through the channel, the channel will just slip and it'll pull it up.
Yeah, that's actually.
That's a better idea. Don't put it on smoke. Oh, that's cheap as shit. Doesn't even have foot space.
Here, hold my front brake so it doesn't fucking spin.
Okay, stop.
Good.
Good. Lay off.
That's why Anthony got all pissed last time, because he hooked into that. I pulled on it, and just went straight fucking down here.
He endoed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give it a tap. That's good. God damn it, how am I supposed to...
Yeah, you'll get it. Look how muddy my gloves are.
Fucking hopefully.
Justin? This is Wyatt. Last bike.
Oh, wait. Yeah, exactly.
Go slow.
You're gonna stick the front tire.
Go. Honda, baby.
Yeah.
Boom.
Honda! Hey!
KTM3 would have done it. It would have ended at the same exact spot. No, man. My
What?
helmet, Eric.
So what are we doing?
So I can sit here and wait for that fucker.
Yeah, we could have left way earlier. I told him he would
And we
do
would
it.
have
I don't
time.
want to.